Hey guys, good morning. Today is Saturday, November the 6th. I am about to go and do a photo shoot today for my birthday, which is coming up next month in December. It's gonna be Sagittarius season. So yeah, I'm headed to the makeup studio like right down the street. My appointment is in like 3 minutes, but today's gonna be a fun day. This is my before. I'm all plain faced, washed up, moisturized. And y'all gonna see how she gonna glam beat me up. I am super excited. It's been a long time since I actually got my makeup done, so this is gonna be really dope. Usually when I try to do photo shoots, I do my makeup myself. Okay guys, so this will be my wig. I'm about to cut the lace because last time when I cut it, I didn't cut it up far enough, and then I need to contour it. Alright guys, so my lace is cut nicely. It's gonna be real pretty. I need to take a brush and comb it out some more so it kind of can separate and look more natural, but you about to be ready. Oh, this gonna be cute. Yeah, this gonna be cute with my hair on. Okay girl. Woo. Wig is on. I need to put some contour right here. And now I need to put my dress on so we can go take these pictures. Ew. I'm so sleepy. I don't even like the fact that I'm like so sleepy and I'm about to do a photo shoot. Cause I think I went to bed too late and I woke up early and I'm just like tired. So we're gonna make it happen. I done paid this money to get my makeup done. We got the photo shoot going. All right y'all, I am officially done. Makeup done, hair done, glued my wig down, put some contour on it. This is the dress. It is hecka cold outside. I'm so glad we're doing this photo shoot on the inside for the most part, but love the dress. You guys will get to see the dress in full. Ordered it off of Shein. I'm gonna do a Shein haul too. I've been ordering like a bunch of clothes off their website, y'all. So anyway, yeah, we're getting ready to head out because Coco's doing the shoot and she'll be there in about, I think like, yep, about 40 minutes. So we're gonna arrive around the same time. Oh, and if I didn't say, we are shooting at the St. Regis Atlanta. Really nice hotel. It's got like black and white modern interior. So Jalen will be back there capturing all of the behind the scenes footage while we get this done, because your girl's gonna be 37 fine. 37 fine. That's what I call it. 37 fine, baby.
Don't tilt so much.
Alright, stay there. Let me fix your hair.
Don't lean so much.
Alright. One leg in front of the other. I wanted to be sexy.
Well, you ain't doing that.
You gotta do your face like that.
Oh.
Laugh too hard on that one.
Cause you start doing that laugh.
Wrapping up first outfit shoot. You want to be on camera or no? So we are, here's the front right here. It's a gorgeous hotel. So I forgot to do a reel, so we're about to get a reel so I can have some videos for my stories as well as some good shots. All right guys, the shoot is over. We are done. Now I'm about to get something to eat. I do still want to go over to this other building. It's like black and white and it's got like a little wood, and see if I can do some of those shots myself, just on my own, like I usually do when I take my pictures. But of course, my birthday shoot, I wanted it to be like professional. Got a lot going on. My assistant, oh, you don't want to be on camera? Oh, show your face. She did good today, and then she quit because she got cold. So yeah, that's what's up. Anyway, I know we got some good ones. I know we got some good money shots. Honestly, when you do a photo shot, all you need is like, what, a good 1 or 2 money shots, and you like, so yeah.
Y'all she needs to practice her model. She was doing good. We had to direct her a couple times.
Yeah, directing it. All right, y'all, it is later in the evening. I changed my outfit. I'm getting ready to go out on the town. These boots I've had for years, and I literally just pulled them out because it's freezing cold. And then this off the shoulder top is from Shein. This is my outfit. Super cute. Time to head out. Hey guys, good morning, happy Sunday. This has been a very busy weekend. I've been around here trying to get my house together. I've had stuff everywhere. Still working on my Christmas tree, sneaky peek, but it's coming together so pretty. I end up having to play merry-go-round with the trees in the house. So I ended up purchasing a, what size is this tree? This is a 9-foot tree. Because the tree that I usually have in here, I moved to the former living room, which I'm gonna show you guys that. And the tree that I usually put in there, which is this slim tree, was really, really little. Like when I put it in there, I'm like, am I being punked? I'm clearly being punked by the tree, right? So I decided to move that tree upstairs. So I basically moved that little slim tree upstairs to the office, and that is gonna be our red and white traditional tree. And then of course this is our mint green tree, and then that is the mauve and blush pink tree. And that room is actually completed, so I'm about to do a tour on that so that I can have that video out. Not doing a tour in this room yet because I still have to do the mantle. The mantle is not done yet. And excuse that cord, that's our Fire Stick cord. Whenever we watch Fire Stick, Jalen plugs it up there, and then I would usually move it down when I'm taking pictures or something, but it's all coming together slowly. But I have a lot of organizing to do. Yesterday I started putting up everything in the bins, because this is all of the fall stuff that I had out. So these bins are about to go back up to the attic, and then these are the empty Christmas bins right here. And what I'm gonna do with these are probably put them in the garage, or I may put them back up in the attic. The thing is, I can't go in the attic. I don't like going in the attic. That's not my thing. It's creepy up there. Anyway, I'm probably gonna go up there for real though during the day today, because the red decorations is still upstairs. You know what? Actually, probably by the time you guys see this vlog, I may have already done a tour of this room. I really don't know. And then also I'm going to Rooms to Go to look at my new sofa. So I think I've narrowed it down to 2 that I want, so that we can get rid of this, and then I can really start showing this room in its entirety, because I love this space, but I never show the entire room because of this darn sofa right here. So anyway, we're about to go get something to eat. I'm in the at-home store. I really need like one more black pillow, but these are solid. This is for my bedroom, which is almost done. I love these because they're 24 by 24. I love this brand of pillows from their home store, the Casa Decor. They're so big, and they are down, and you can karate chop them. So if I don't find any more texture ones, then I'll get this one. They also have them in silver. I specifically am looking for more like a lavenderish color for my mom's room, my guest room. See, if I was still doing blue, this would be perfect, but I'm not. This is the picture that I brought back. Still love it. It's just too big. Yeah, they don't really have anything. That's pretty. It's on the simplistic side. I could make that. I'm not buying that. That's pretty dope. It is freezing cold in here. Freezing cold. Oh, they have all the silver and gold stuff together. You just want to mix metals because that's what we do these days. Hello guys, happy Thanksgiving. Today is Thursday, the day that we are all giving thanks for everything that we have. I am headed over to my cousin's house. That's where we are doing Thanksgiving. He's hosting in his, you got the same house we were at for Halloween. DK is hosting, so we ready?
Get left behind.
It's a little late, but we ready. Mom, would you like to say hello? And mommy came in town. Say hi. Hi. So that's my mom. You guys have met my mom before. Anyway, we're heading over to eat. Come on. I guess I could have showed it to y'all while I was on the island, but this is the sweet potato souffle. I'm getting ready to transport it over to my cousin's house, so it's on. We got it on top of the car right now, so we got to put it inside the car. Y'all know that this is my specialty that I make for every single holiday. And then we have some pies that we're taking over too. So yeah. The mantle is done, guys. It looks so good. Christmas in the living room is, well, in the family room is officially set up. The mantle is done. I just finished the mantle and I'm so tired. I really would like to take a nap, but Jalen wants to go to the fall festival in my aunt's subdivision, so we're gonna ride over there right quick. And if I don't like the food that they have, then I will get my Geminix because that's what I wanted to eat. I have not been cooking. I know y'all hear me eating out a whole lot, but with everything going on with work, with the business, decorating, it's just a lot, and I just haven't had time to cook. But I make sure we eat, and that's, to me, is most important. As long as we eat, I don't care if it's on the stove or at a restaurant, we're getting food, you know. Creep back up them steps, you're gonna get left